Hello dear friends, welcome to Dr. Esminag Medicine classes. Today let us try to learn something interesting. Actually I want to tell you about a miraculous disease. Let's go into 16th century. So this incident happened in 16th century, and in the past, see guys, in those days actually we had no airways and no aeroplanes to travel from one country to other country, and mostly in that time people traveled on water. So it used to take several months and years to travel from one country to other country. So at that time the mariners had no fresh fruits and vegetables to eat, and because of this people died because of a miraculous disease, and many people surprised what is happening to the people, and thousands of people died because of weakness, bleeding, and the gums used to bleed, and people had no cure of the wounds. So this was the miraculous disease, and many people died of this disease. So people named this miraculous disease as scurvy, and scurvy is the first disease associated with diet. And in that time actually there was a great scientist, a surgeon of English Navy. He conducted several clinical trials on this disease, and he found that this disease may be associated, this may be due to the deficiency of vitamin C, due to the lack of fresh fruits and vegetables. And since 1795 people started eating, or people started taking lime juice in the mariners. Actually those who are traveling in the ships, they used to drink a lot of lime juice. So after James Lind's observations, they found that scurvy is the disease which is associated with the diet, and which is mainly caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. So this is very important and miraculous disease in the history, and this scurvy killed thousands of people in 16th century. Okay, so this was about vitamin C deficiency and scurvy, and in this lecture let us try to learn in detail about vitamin C, its sources, and many physiological functions and its roles, and importance of vitamin C in COVID-19. So check out the full video, don't miss. So let's learn about vitamin C in detail. As you all know that the chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid, and most of the mammals will synthesize their own vitamin C, so they don't depend on other sources actually for vitamin C. But human beings, man, can't synthesize vitamin C because man has a deficiency of very important enzyme which is helpful in the synthesis of vitamin C, and this enzyme is gulonolactone oxidase. So man has deficiency of gulonolactone oxidase, a very important enzyme used in the synthesis of vitamin C, and because of this deficiency man has to depend on vitamin C for other sources like fresh fruits and vegetables. Remember very important point guys about vitamin C. Actually vitamin C, when it is taken through oral route, it will be rapidly absorbed from GI tract, and it will not be stored in the body. It is unlike other vitamins like vitamin A, D, E and K. Vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins, whereas vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin, and this vitamin will not store longer time in our body, whereas vitamin A, D, E, K will be stored in the body, and it will be used for further purposes. Actually in the deficiency conditions also, mostly vitamin A, D, E, K deficiency disorders will not be possible, but vitamin C has to be taken every day because it will not be stored in the body for long period. So this is very important point about vitamin C. Remember guys, vitamin C is very important in the formation of collagen. Collagen is a very important protein, and this collagen is helpful in the formation of many tissues like skin, and it is helpful, this collagen is helpful in the formation of gums in the teeth, and it is also helpful in formation of many tissues in the body. So formation of collagen is a very important function. Vitamin C is also helpful in formation of bones, and remember guys, vitamin C is a very important vitamin that helps in the absorption of iron from the GI tract, and it is helpful in the formation of red blood cells and synthesis of hemoglobin. So for the formation of red blood cells, vitamin C is very important. So remember, vitamin C is very important in formation of antibodies, and it is very important in maintaining immune system, and this property is very important in COVID-19 situations. Okay, vitamin C is very important in maintaining immune system. Okay, it is very important in other physiological functions, like it forms many amino acids and many proteins actually. Okay, so vitamin C also helps in the reduction of cardiovascular disease. It also reduces cataract formation. Okay, and remember, vitamin C is a strong antioxidant, so antioxidant property is very important. It reduces some some cancer related disorders also. Okay, so vitamin C is a very important organ, and these are some of the physiological functions associated with vitamin C. Actually, the normal daily dose normal dose of vitamin C is 60 to 70 mg per day, and in pregnancy and lactation, however, 40 to 50% high amount is required. And the common sources of vitamin C are mostly in most fresh fruits and vegetables will have vitamin C, but the richest source of vitamin C is guava, tomatoes, gooseberries, we call amla. Okay, so now let us see the deficiency of vitamin C. Actually, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, as we have already seen. However, nowadays scurvy is a very rare disease, but in some cases in vitamin C deficiencies, patient will have bleeding disorders and delay in the wound healing, and sometimes rupture of the blood vessels, anemia, hemorrhage are commonly seen, and osteoporosis is also another disease which is associated with deficiency of vitamin C. So these are some deficiency disorders. And remember, there is another very important point about vitamin C. In previous days, some of them claimed that heavy doses, mega doses of vitamin C up to 18 grams per day will cause or will reduce cancer, and it is also helpful for prevention of cold, and it is used to treat cold conditions. But however, after few research trials, they found that heavy doses of vitamin C has no role in treating cold conditions actually. But however, most scientists believe that intake of good amount of vitamin C will have good immunity, and it will be helpful in prevention of cold conditions. However, it is a controversy. And remember, anything high doses, any vitamin or any drug with high doses will have impact on the human being. And remember, anyways, high amount of vitamin C will not have any toxic effects, because it will not be stored in liver, or it will not be stored in the body, and it will be excreted as it is from the kidneys, because it is water soluble. So this is very important point about vitamin C. And that's it about vitamin C. And if you know something other important points about vitamin C, please do comment below. And I think you learned something about vitamin C, and keep following our videos, like our video, please subscribe for many such useful videos. Thank you for watching.